Travis with UtvWindowTint today, showing you a common mistake that happens on the install of these Can-Am Defenders. So what people will come and place their film on the outside, and they'll send me an email or a text message and they'll say, it's too narrow, it's the wrong, it's not cut right, look at it, it's too narrow, I got the liner facing towards me and the sticky part, it doesn't fit. So what's actually happening is this is the driver's window on the passenger side of the machine, and it's spun 90 degrees. So if we actually take this piece of film, this is actually the bottom of the film, and we go over to the driver's side of the machine, this is actually now set up in the way that the rounded corners up here at the top, this edge is over here. So you have the film on the wrong side of the machine. So before you start tinting, make sure that the liner's towards you. And what I mean by the liner is, I'm peeling this back, that's the sticky part of the tint. The liner, the clear part, needs to be facing towards you and it's oriented right. You just have it wrong. I get this text message in the busy season 2, 3, 4 times a week. So let's just make sure that this fits the right way. It is confusing because the window is just about as wide as it is tall. So just make sure that those are right. These quarter windows are also belong on the driver and the passenger side of the machine. You cannot flip-flop them. So when you get the kit, just make sure you're checking the fitment on these Can-Ams before you go to install. Just do what I just did here. Take the piece of film, look at it, check its width. Like I said, you could have it oriented wrong. You could have it like this, but usually what happens is it's on the wrong side of the machine. I've sold thousands of these kits. This happens all the time. So that's the answer there. Just make sure that you have the tint on the right side. They are 1/2 inch short. Check that out before you install, and check out our other install videos.